Umbalula uthi lesikhwama sesisebenze ngendlela engahambisani nemigomo yokusetshenziswa kwemali isikhathi eside kanti sibe ngaphansi kwencindezi elokhu ikhule njalo kusukela ngo-1981.
In 2005, a decade later, the annual deficit had risen to 1.2 billion. This astronomical increase in the annual deficit continued until the historic 3.2 billion surplus reported for the period ended on 31st March 2001.
Uthi indlela yokuxazulula izicelo ezifakwa ku-RAF beyenza kube lula ukuthi kufakwe izicelo zomkhonyovu. Kepha uthi sekube nenqubekela phambili ekunciphiseni izikweletu zalesikhwama.
The RAF has adopted a more appropriate accounting treatment for social benefits in line with its mandate than the insurance contracts previously employed. This has resulted in the massive decrease of the RAF reported liability by 305 billion rand, bringing the RAF liability to 28 billion rand and the net liability position of 13.5 billion rand.
Isikhulu salesikhwama sithi ziningi inkampani ebeyihlomula ngokukhokhisa iRAF ngaphezulu kwemali efanele.
The 102 law firms were reported because we had paid double payments and those double payments were not paid back, and I want to explain how this double payment happened. They happened as a consequence of REITs in most instances, where they would go and attach our bank account and pay themselves, and they are in the process of being paid. Just within a short space of time, before we reconcile, they've been paid twice.
iRAF ithi manje isikhathi sokuphothula izicelo sizoncipha sisuka eminyakeni emihlanu siya ezinyangeni ezine ukuze iphothule izicelo eziningi ngokusheshsha.